XRP News. Ripple destroys SEC in court victory as CEO calls out corruption. Crypto News Today begins now. Welcome to one of the most explosive moments in crypto history as of March 19, 2025. Ripple has officially won its 4-year battle against the SEC. CEO Brad Garlinghouse just declared victory, exposing the agency for costing investors billions, while XRP's price skyrockets, shaking up the market in ways no one saw coming today. XRP is on fire, now trading at $255, surging 12.12% in just 24 hours after Garlinghouse dropped the bombshell announcement this morning. The SEC has completely abandoned its lawsuit. 4 years of uncertainty are over, and the door to massive institutional adoption just swung wide open now. We're breaking it all down, from Garlinghouse's fiery accusations against regulators to XRP's price explosion, plus the SEC's shocking retreat and what this means for the future of crypto regulation in the US and beyond today. This isn't just a win for Ripple, it's a win for the entire crypto industry. The SEC accused Ripple of illegally selling XRP, tanking its price by $15 billion overnight in 2020. But today, Garlinghouse is calling them out for market manipulation, as XRP prepares for its next leg up. The stakes? Massive! XRP's $148 billion market cap is gaining momentum, and with this legal battle over, ETF approvals and global adoption could send it toward $250 billion and beyond. Meanwhile, the SEC's credibility is in tatters, with regulators now scrambling to recover from this historic loss. XRP has soared from $2.30 to $2.55, blasting through key resistance levels, fueled by Garlinghouse's video statement on X, formerly Twitter, confirming the SEC's appeal is officially dead. The market reaction? Explosive! XRP shot up 10% within minutes, proving that crypto investors were waiting for this moment. The lawsuit, which started in December 2020, was one of the most controversial in SEC history. They claimed Ripple was selling XRP as an unregistered security. But in 2023, a judge ruled that secondary sales weren't securities, weakening the SEC's case. They appealed, but today they've completely surrendered in a massive U-turn. As of 11 a.m. PDT, the SEC hasn't updated its court docket, but Garlinghouse's video, set to dramatic orchestral music, confirms it's over. The result? A seismic shift in US crypto regulation. The SEC's war on Ripple, Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken is collapsing fast. XRP's 12% price jump proves this isn't just a legal win, it's an institutional green light. Bitcoin edged up slightly to 84K but remained flat, showing that this rally is all about XRP. With ETF odds at 76% before today, expectations are soaring for institutional money to flood in. Garlinghouse didn't hold back. He accused the SEC of destroying $15 billion of investor funds and called its lawsuit a reckless political attack on crypto. And he's not alone. The SEC's shift under acting chairman Mark Uyeda shows that crypto regulation is heading in a completely new direction. Trump's administration has already gutted the SEC's crypto enforcement unit, replacing anti-crypto policies with pro-growth strategies. Since his inauguration in January, we've seen the SEC drop cases against Coinbase, Binance, and Yuga Labs. This Ripple win marks another major retreat. Now crypto-friendly Commissioner Hester Pierce is leading a task force to rewrite digital asset regulations, meaning this could be the turning point that legitimizes crypto in the US forever. The market? Absolutely watching. XRP's market cap could skyrocket to $250 billion, with ETFs and bank partnerships now on the table. Can XRP finally break through? Technicals show a major breakout pattern, but if it fails to hold above $94, a drop to $1 is still possible. Meanwhile, Bitcoin faces a potential drop to 74K as ETF outflows hit $870 million in 5 weeks. Garlinghouse's comments about market manipulation are catching fire. He argues that XRP was unfairly targeted, while Bitcoin's ETF got approved instantly. Investors lost billions, but now Ripple is finally on the offensive. Massive whale activity shows big players are jumping in. Just this week, an investor bought 10.3 million XRP worth $24.2 million in a clear signal of confidence. Meanwhile, Ripple's partnerships with Revolut and Zero Hash hint at a global banking revolution fueled by XRP's ultra-fast transactions. Are we about to witness the biggest altcoin rally in years? XRP has the momentum, but will ETF approvals and bank deals send it soaring past 3 years? Or could a retracement be coming? Before we continue, take a second to hit like and subscribe to Crypto News Today. Your support helps us keep delivering the most in-depth, real-time crypto updates. XRP's path to $3.40 is now in play, but failure to hold key support at $1.94 could trigger a pullback. Meanwhile, Bitcoin flashes warning signs. But trader Josh Mandel still sticks by his insane 444K BTC prediction after correctly calling 84K on March 14th. Ripple's latest 100K donation to wildfire victims highlights its real-world impact, while its Japan expansion plans for 2025 could bring even bigger growth. And let's not forget, the SEC's crypto crackdown was fueled by 130 mullahs from pro-Bitcoin backers like the Winklevoss twins and Jesse Powell. This shift in US policy could finally remove the barriers to mainstream crypto adoption. What's next? XRP's triumph could open the floodgates for crypto-friendly regulations, ETF approvals, and global expansion. Will XRP finally reach 5+, or could resistance drag it back down? With XRP at $255, its momentum is undeniable. But Bitcoin at $84,335 still faces resistance, and all eyes are on whether Mandel's 444K cycle theory plays out. Join us on Crypto News Today for our full 15-minute deep dive into this groundbreaking victory. Hit play now to find out what's next for XRP, Bitcoin, and the entire crypto market.